Good morning, good morning, good morning. Again, guys, please disregard, don't look at my hair, don't look at my anything. I woke up and then I sat in my chair next to my bed and was dozing off again when all of a sudden I felt I just felt the house moving, like my chair was just moving. So I got up and I came out because I know this is a brick house, and so whatever was going on, I just know I just shouldn't be down in there. So I moved up to here to the front and stood under one of the arches, but it didn't. It was an earthquake. My daughter reached out from work. Reach out. She's working from home, and the people in the team's meeting, they felt it. My daughter-in-law, she reached out because they felt it over there. So it was just a little. So my guys, just wherever you are, as I said, just be thankful. We just felt our shaking this morning. It came up from the southern region, from the down below us, yes. But my friend, I asked her if she felt it, and she's in Long Island. She said yes, she felt it over there. Um, but I'm here. So this morning, this one, April 5th, about 10 something, I think, or something. Yeah, we felt an earthquake here in Connecticut. So I'm sure it will be in the news somewhere. Just sharing, guys. Just sharing. I'm just at my desk right now. I didn't even go back to my room. I said let me sit up here for a minute. All right. Yeah.